Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make coral mash in Subnautica 2. Coral mash is quite a nutrient-dense food in the game, and it's made with fairly simple materials, but because of its huge benefit of providing 65 food when you consume it, you need to make the material sugar of Saturn, which requires lead and salt, which frankly for me, using any metal for a food source is a waste, but it's purely subjective. In case you're wondering where you can find the coral shavings, over on your life pod, literally right next to it, there's an arch-looking structure here that is riddled with dragon-scale corals. Use your multi-tool to harvest this, and now you have some coral shavings. Just go back to your habitat and then make the coral mash. Now you have an incredibly filling food item that can provide you for a long journey due to its high food value, and that's pretty much about it on how to make coral mash. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more quick dive guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.